When we meet someone for the first time, one of the most popular questions for Americans to ask and get asked is, what do you do? And if your answer to this question is clear, compelling, and memorable, then you attract more clients. And if you have an answer to what do you do that consistently causes people to be curious and interested in what you do, then you attract more clients. But I find that almost no one in business feels confident, excited, or optimistic when answering this question because almost no one in business has an answer that causes people to get excited about doing business with them. So in this video, I'm going to share the PST framework on how you answer the what do you do question so that more people will want to learn about your work and more people will want to do business with you. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future ideas and insights. Now, it wasn't that long ago that a financial advisor in one of our masterminds really wanted to increase his production because his wife was pregnant. And they'd always dreamed of her being a full-time mom, but his income alone wasn't enough to support their lifestyle. So he was feeling frustrated and afraid because he felt like time was running out. And he knew that he had to get serious. He had to put in more effort. He had to improve his skills so that he could boost his business and replace his wife's income. And I shared the 3-part PST framework with him on how to answer the what do you do question. And I knew that it would help him attract more clients. And he committed to creating an answer using the framework. And look, let's be clear. It's easier to hear ideas and do nothing. Learning and implementing ideas takes effort and discipline and commitment. And he put in the effort, the discipline, the commitment. And he was prepared 5 weeks later at a United Way event where he met a business owner that asked him, what do you do? And his answer caused the business owner to ask more questions. And 2 months later, that business owner had become by far his biggest client. But more importantly, the business that he did with that client gave him the confidence and the financial cushion so that his wife didn't have to go back to work after they had their firstborn. And today she's a full-time mom, just like they dreamed. And he's now consistently landing his ideal clients so that his increased income is way more than replaced what she was making. So I have 4 goals for you with this video. And my first goal for you is that every time someone asks you, what do you do? I want you to feel excited, confident, and optimistic with your answer. My second goal is that your answer causes people to be curious about what you do. My third goal is that your answer causes people to remember you. Because look, everyone you meet isn't a prospect today, but many of them will be in the future. And when more people remember you, then more people reach out for your help as the years go by. And my fourth goal for you is I want you to get more clients now because of how you answer this question. So I'm going to go over the PST framework. And if you use it, then you will be able to better communicate what you do so that people find you to be more clear, compelling, and memorable. And this is a framework that was inspired by a couple of books that I read. The first one was by an amazing business leader named Donald Miller at StoryBrand. And the other one was Story Selling by Nick Nanton and J.W. Dix. So check out those 2 books and the ideas will just flow to you. I guarantee it. So let's pretend for a moment that you meet 2 people at an event. And the first one you meet, when you ask him, what do you do? Says, I'm an account executive for XYZ software company. A little later, you unknowingly meet someone from the same company. And when you ask her what she does, she says, you know how most entrepreneurs struggle to always have enough great prospects to call? Our company has a software that identifies prospects for almost every product on the planet. So our clients always have a long list full of qualified prospects. So our clients are more productive, have less stress, and more success. Now, which of these 2 people would you be more interested in? Which of the 2 will you most likely remember tomorrow? Which of the 2 would you think may be able to help you today? Most business people do not have an answer to what do you do that causes the person asking the question to want to dive into a deeper conversation. Most business people do not have an answer to what do you do that causes people to be more curious, more interested, and that makes them more memorable. And again, memorable is important because if someone isn't a prospect today, but they are in the future, then when you're memorable, you get the call when they're looking for help. So let's go over what was communicated. First person's real simple and easy, right? I'm an account executive for XYZ software company. Who's that about? It's about him and his company. Second person said, you know how most entrepreneurs struggle to always have enough great prospects? Our company has a software that identifies prospects for almost every product on the planet. So our clients always have a long list full of qualified prospects. So our clients are more productive. They have less stress and more success. So who's that about? It's about their clients. So rule number one, when someone asks you, what do? Make it about your clients, not you or your firm. So that's the foundation. Now, diving in deeper, let's break down her communication. The first thing she said, you know how most entrepreneurs struggle to always have enough great prospects. What she does here is she addresses a problem that her clients have. Second thing she does, our company has a software that identifies prospects for almost every product on the planet. So here she communicates that she has a solution to her client's problem. And the third thing she said, our clients always have a long list full of qualified prospects, so they're more productive, have less stress, and more success. What she does here, she paints a picture of the transformation her clients have as a result of doing business with her. So this is a three-part framework that I call PST. Because when you position what you do by the problem your clients face, your solution to that problem, and your client's transformation, as a result of doing business with you, people will be more curious, more interested, and they will remember you because you're giving them an experience. Because when someone is reminded of a problem they have, then they feel an emotion, which we call pain. Then when they hear that there's a solution to their problem, their pain shifts to hope. Then when they hear how people who had the same problem used your solution and transformed, that hope shifts to inspiration. And when you take people from pain to hope to inspiration, you're giving them an experience and you're interesting and memorable. So imagine two people at a party. One answers the what do you do question with, I'm a financial advisor. The second one answers the what do you do question by saying, you know how most people worry about finances more than almost any other area of life? I help people organize their finances so they can focus their time and energy on the important things in life and not stress over the financial things. Now, which of the two are most likely to leave that party with new prospects? What happens is if you say this to someone that actually has the problem you solve, then you pique their interest and they want to learn more. So there you have it. Crafting a compelling answer to the question, what do? Can be a game changer. And just like the advisor I mentioned, who went from frustrated and afraid to achieving his family's dream of his wife being a full-time mom, you can also transform your interactions into opportunities. And remember, it's not about what you do, it's about how you communicate it. By using the PST framework, naming the problem, your solution, and showcasing the transformation your clients experience, you'll captivate attention, spark curiosity, and leave a lasting impression. So the next time someone asks you, what do? Be prepared. Don't just give them a job title or a company name. Paint a picture of the problems you solve and the transformations that you bring about. And make it about your clients, not you or your firm. And I promise you, by following this simple yet very powerful framework, you'll not only feel more confident and optimistic in your response, but you'll also attract a lot more clients and a lot more opportunities. So look, I hope you found value in today's video. And if you'd like to learn more about our mastermind groups and our coaching programs, then you can click the link in the description below and schedule a discovery call so you can learn how we can help you build your business bigger, better, faster than you can do it alone. And we would love to be a resource. So thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you on the next one. And until then, stay focused, stay present, stay impactful.